is it even possible to make money online without any skill? Well, it's possible, but there's a clause to it. Look, you might not necessarily be able to make money online without any skill, but without knowing any skill, there's some things you can do, okay, that's going to help you to make money easily. And the first one that you must know is about creating your brand. You stand out for a particular thing, okay? Just stand out for a particular thing. You can just create an Instagram profile and then profile yourself and say, I am this, I am this, I do certain things. You have a nice bio, and then you know you look a little bit professional, okay? And people can verify that you are a real person. The most important thing about making money, whether online or offline, is about being able to build trust with the people you're connecting with, okay? When you have an audience and they know they can trust you. I have a long time friend that while we were still in school, okay, he was able to trust me with his money, and even up until now, we are doing business. Very cool guy, great guy. I do business for him on a monthly basis. Every month, we do transactions, and very, very well. Okay, it's very important that people can trust you, and this is the first way that someone is going to give you money to do that for them. The thing is about trust. Okay, the value that you exchange with someone for money is actually built on trust, and if they can trust you enough, they are going to hand over even their whole bank account and tell you, look, I need you to do this job for me. That's just how it is, okay? So to make money online without any skill, like I told you, is really not so possible. But you need to develop certain skills. And the first skill that you need to develop is, shall I say, competence? It's competence. People need to know that you are able to deliver on promise for whatever thing that you want to do. I'm not telling you that you can make money by just sitting down and then scrolling your phone and then money keeps coming. There's no such thing. That's the lulu. That's so delulu. And I don't want you to be delulu. Look, we're in 2025, and I need you to know that the world is tough. The world rewards those that are valuable. The world rewards those that are skillful. And there's nothing like saying you can make money online without any skill. I'm just like trying to break the ice out of your eyes to shatter this illusion that you might be having right now. I need you to know that the first way for you to make money online is by getting valuable. And without any money, you can actually start by developing yourself. Develop your mindset, develop your body, develop everything about you. You need to look like the money that you want to attract. That's just the secret. You need to look like the money that you want to attract. I'm not saying that you should fake it till you make it, okay? No. And if you know, there are very simple, tiny habits that you can practice every day that will get you closer to making money both offline and online. And the first important one I need you to develop is your confidence. Online, people might be calling you on the phone or having video calls with you, trying to confirm your identity. You need to be confident. They need to know that they trust you. I need to build this by enveloping yourself through the process. It doesn't come naturally. No one is born with confidence, okay? Nobody is born with confidence. The only thing we were born with was with the ability to cry and then the fear of falling down as a little baby. Nobody wants to, okay? So I need you to understand that for you to make money online, you need to develop your confidence, develop your competence, and you need to develop your skill. There's no such thing as something for nothing. And I hope that this makes sense, and I'm going to see you in the next one.